So it is Christmas Eve right now. So this is the start of my Christmas Eve and Christmas 2018 video. So I'm going to be showing you Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. It's Christmas Eve, so that means the last advent calendar. We've been making all the desserts. I'm going to be opening my advent calendar for 2018. This is really sad, but this one, and it's a little Santa. Organizing all the table for tomorrow. By the way, I haven't washed off my tan, that's why it's really dark. We're starting to make all the desserts for Christmas. I'm making Christmas cupcakes. This is the best part of any cake. My cupcakes have finished baking. I've cut up strawberries and now I'm gonna ice. They are officially done. So just before the carol starts, me and Mum are gonna watch my favorite Christmas movie, The Santa Claus #1. Jess is here. We're watching the carols.
Oh no, it looks alright. It's the front of the head.
We are going Christmas light finding. Oh, up.
We're making pancakes.
No, we're not.
For Sambuca! If you know what that is.
Sambuca. I have no idea what they're saying.
Have you heard that? There's a video. She goes up to the DJ. I would drown you in the Murray River. That's great. I would drown your cat. Why do I sound like the bad person there?
At least that is animal abuse.
Oh, there's people there. Hello.
Hello. Oh. You feeling jolly?
Yeah, so jolly.
They just walked up a hill.
What he said.
Did you just trip over a rock? Jess just took a massive fall. He threw it at me.
You know the funny thing about it is this guy sitting there and I'm big.
Hi, beautiful. How you going, miss?
Merry Christmas. Mum, we are now going into like a walk-through house, and like we're allowed to go through the house and they decorate it. Carly's there, so we're meeting Carly. Jess is recovering. Jackie is just swagging
As usual.
today. Yeah. Okay, so while my mum's in the car, I'm gonna quickly fill up her stocking. I bought heaps of stuff to put in it and I can't find, oh no, here it is. Okay, I found it. I'm gonna fill up her stocking.
The standard and then just put a tiny bit more.
I feel like this is going to be wrong. It says 1 cup of hot water to 1 cup of berry vodka.
Guys, how much vodka
It's a whole bottle.
do you put in to make jelly shots?
Actually, that's not much when you pour it like that.
That's
And an
4
extra.
cups. You just put the whole bottle in.
Definitely so mad because for the 5th year in a row, we have not got matching pajama sets.
I've been in our family for 5 years.
I have. I'm mad. So next year, reminder, we are getting matching pajama sets, okay, Mum?
Okay.
And my other sister who's not here. So I'm going to go to sleep right now and I will pick this back up tomorrow morning when it's Christmas. I'm currently, what time is it? It's Christmas very soon. Okay, so I'm currently just chilling in bed and I'm on this really cool website and you can like track where Santa is. Where is he? Okay, Santa is apparently in North Korea. Yeah, okay, so Santa's in North Korea. Me and Mum just exchanged our stockings. I'm eating breakfast. Yeah. The morning glam. You haven't done your foundation, have you?
No?
I was gonna say, you have a big line.
We look glamorous.
Yeah, we've glammed or up already.
Glamorous. Look how
When-
bad our photo turned out.
Oh.
I see in a photo.
It didn't. It was because she had a finger over flash.
Oh, that's really awkward. It's finally Christmas! So this morning, me and Mum exchanged stockings because that's just like something we like to do. I'm currently making the salads for Christmas Day because this Christmas I'm helping Mum with all the food. I don't have sour cream for my favourite part of Christmas. So, the sour cream to put in something. So I'm gonna run down to like the shop and see if it's open, which I really doubt it is. So I really don't think it's gonna be open, and I'm really sad because it's the main ingredient. It's the main ingredient in my favorite part of Christmas. I am so thankful right now. So us girls are all getting ready now. I'm going to start my makeup right now. I'm making the salad right now. No. Down. Okay, I'll ask you questions.
Just make sure it looks good. Not that angle. My God.
How am I related to you?
Hi, first of all, I'm Jackie. I'm Katie's favourite sister. She's nodding behind the camera. We're just like thick as thieves. You know? So I'm 22 years old. I've just graduated uni. I'm now a primary school teacher.
New Year's resolution.
I think it would be the same as every year.
What's that?
You know what? I actually wrote down like 5 New Year's resolutions for this year, and I'm pretty sure I did none of them except for graduate, not fail uni.
But didn't you fail?
Kicking.
That was one thing she failed.
Excuse me, guys. I'm not having this on the internet. I didn't fail anything.
I just joked on the ground.
Seats now.
Loser.
Okay, what's your name? Wait, how am I related to you?
You're my sister,
What's your name?
Jess.
How old are you?
24.
What do you do as a job?
I work as a carer, and I do nursing.
Here's resolution.
I want to travel more. I haven't failed uni because I didn't go to uni, but unlike some people, yeah.
I didn't fail you.
Yeah, don't spread this shit around the internet. I passed everything. Is this over? I'm the smart sister, guy. I'm the funny sister. What?
My name is this is Rusty.
Is my interview over?
Yeah. I just got lipstick on his head. He really doesn't want to be held right now. He's not a camera boy. So yeah. Are you ready for your interview? Who are you? How am I related to you, Dad?
No comment.
What was that?
No comment.
Oh, Dad's a bit camera shy.
You're doing on my last nerve. Switch.
Santa's helper is doing Jingle Bell Rock.
Love and Katie.
I don't know which one that is.
Setting up the Hey Google. Pause the song. Setting up.
Cool.
Someone's coming out of it. Stop sounding like freaking Scrooge. We are setting up the table for Christmas. Actually, I haven't done anything. Mum's done it. It's ready. Mum's done such a good job. This Christmas, my sister actually met 3 girls who are backpacking Australia, and they're from Ireland. Is it Ireland or Ireland? Ireland. Ireland.
Don't say Ireland. It's Ireland.
From Ireland. So they're coming for Christmas. So we have a couple of extra tables. My other sister that you haven't seen. So yeah, we're still cooking everything, and all of us are super hungry. The cupcakes are out. Assembling the dessert table nearly.
Don't show my book. I wonder what it could be. What have you got? Dad walking in the background.
Yay!
What is it?
Oh, you didn't know you were getting it, did you? No.
No.
Surprise.
Thank you.
Next.
I can't get up.
There's everything. Let's go.
Document the fact.
Sister is here.
The other sister. You're the other sister in the video.
Yeah.
He's having one of my drinks. Dad, just give it to me. It's got no sugar in it, so just have fun with that. It's my favourite perfume. New top. Hey. Oh, Dad, that's yours. Did you open it?
We are now on to the third and final course of food. And then there's more in the cupboard, in the oven.
Okay, what I got? I think this is the last one, isn't it?
We are currently going for a run.
I'm walking.
Just has a broken toe, so everyone's
Great.
laughing at me because I'm running. And she's just filming me. Oh, this. We've been, oh, my dog's taking a shit. We've been discussing, and our whole family, we've like give them like Kardashian names, and I've always been Kylie,
I'm Courtney.
and you're staying Courtney. But
Jackie was Kim, but now we think Katie should be Kim.
yeah, Jackie's not a Kim, she's a Chloe.
Yeah, she's
And-
changed.
And Beck's Rob.
And
Yeah.
Dad is Bruce.
Dad
now
is Caitlin.
Rose. Who's Rose?
Chris.
Oh yeah, true.
So-
Who else could she be?
Like,
But you've definitely upgraded to Kim. Sorry, Jackie.
sorry, Jackie. So I'm going to film what I got for Christmas 2018. So I'm going to show everything that I got just because I like watching these videos. So this is the best lighting that I can possibly find. So hopefully next year this will be, need to put my hands down. Hopefully next year this will be like a lot better quality. So I'll start off with my stocking. So I got this little jewelry holder for when I go away, because I'm going away really soon. So I wear a lot of jewelry. That's how you say it. I got this black drink bottle for the gym, and it keeps your water hot and then it keeps it cold, which is good. It's like a thermos, something. I then got a beauty blender, and last thing in my stockings were these booty bands for the gym. I'm now gonna show my present that I got from my best friend Carly. So she got me that has this really fluffy blanket in it, and she got me Pod Maltesers, salt and vinegar chips, thins, raspberry bullet, and Oreo chocolates. And the reason she got me those is because she bought me tickets for the Moonlight Cinema at the Royal Botanical Gardens, which, if you know me, I love cinemas, I love the movies, and I love the drive-ins, and this is actually like an outdoor cinema kind of thing. So I'm so excited for that. So all that food is for that, and this is gonna be like a little table. So I'm actually so keen for that because I love the movie. So thank you, Carly.